Click on search icon, then in the search bar type Task Manager. Now select Run as Administrator. On this window, click on File, select Run New Task, and then click on Browse button. Now select this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. From here just scroll down and open C System32 folder. Then just scroll down and search for cmd.exe file. Double click on it. Then check this box and click on OK. This will open command prompt window. We already have the list of commands to make it easy for you. So we need to open Google Chrome. Then open google.com. In the search bar type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. From the search results, click on this link which is from hows.tech. Now just scroll down and we need to copy these commands. So copy command number 12, go to command prompt window, simply right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter to execute it. Then copy command number 13 and right click and paste the command, hit enter. Once done, close the command prompt window. Open File Explorer, then go to Documents, right click on the file, select Properties, go to Sharing, select Advanced Sharing option and check this option. After that go to Permissions and enable Full Control option, select everyone and then click on Apply and then OK. Save all the changes and close all the windows one by one. Again right click on it, select Properties, go to Security tab, select Edit and click on Add. Go to Advanced tab, go to Find Now and from here you can just search results, select everyone and click on OK. Select everyone, check Full Control option and save all changes and close all windows one by one. Again go to search bar and type here Advanced Sharing Settings, click here to open it. From here go to All Networks and just turn off this option and just turn off password protected sharing. Save the changes and close the window. Now we need to open Advanced Sharing Settings again. In the private, turn off file and printer sharing and just turn on the file and printer sharing options. Try it. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.